Back to 1912, 18 styles. After Agrigento, the exhibition moved to Pompeii. And there are also some styles of the artists in Paris, in Poland, in Pisa, and in the Roman Villa.
No, I'm not.
But the artist, Igor Mitorai, want to leave it here as a gift. The name of this modern statue, the falling of Icarus, the guy with wings and wax, close to the sun. So it's brand new, it's oxidized by purpose, it looks like gold, and Hercules. But really is not the right name. It's a conventional name. For Zeus we know, for Castor and Pollux, really Demeter and Persephone we know. Not for this one, it's a conventional name. A mistake, let's say. We don't know yet, so we still keep the wrong name, Hercules. But I would love to focus three things about it. I want to know you to know three things about it. This is the first temple with columns built in my city. When the Greeks came, the economy was very basic. They can't build skyscrapers since they came. So the early temples, they were small and tiny, looking like houses. No columns, no, let's say, big buildings. The early temples were looking like houses. Standing walls, small and tiny, like these in my picture. Then, 60 years later, they got money and advanced technology, and from the small, tiny temples, they could build the big one. So this is the first time, even before the second one. Look at this one.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers, and welcome to the Valley of the Temples. This is a must-see location, and to understand the beauty of this place you need to be here, and there are no words to explain what you breathe here. You breathe the history, and so come to Sicily to enjoy beautiful places like this. It's a UNESCO site, and it's a must-see location. So if you join our Sicily Lovers Tour next year, because you know this year we are already sold out, so you can join one of the 3 editions of our small group tours next year. You will see this masterpiece, and if you want to experience a custom private tours of Sicily, a custom private tour, you can ask us to include this beautiful site in your tour of Sicily. Just visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and it would be our pleasure to enjoy Sicily to the fullest with the best English-speaking drivers and local guides with a great knowledge of Sicily, such as our clients are experiencing right now. I'm touring with a group of 21 beautiful American people from Virginia, Tennessee, and Florida. And they are traveling all around Sicily, and they see the highlights of the island. And don't forget that Sicily, even if it's an island, is not a small island. It's a little continent. So to enjoy our beloved island, you need at least 10 days, no less. Otherwise, you have no time to relax and to enjoy, to really enjoy beautiful places like this. And what else? Happy Sunday from Sicily. I'm working. Gianca is at home planning tours of Sicily, and let's see other part of this beautiful location. The Valley of the Temples, founded by Greeks.
Mettetevi sul muretto.
Over there, our clients and the guide Lorenzo is amazing.
But during transportation, the column will break. They want to avoid the risk, so they prefer to roll, transport portions. They went lifting with the scaffoldings and cranes, and into the holes, they put the and use the metal, because this became flexible, earthquake proof, and once they plaster total white, it looks made of marble. This became waterproof and also looking like monolithic. Va bene? Ok? Bene. Bene.
Wow factor.
Bravissima, bravissima, bravissima. All also location.
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao dear Sicily lovers. I wait for you here in Sicily.